first today we're in order of what a quotient, a divisor, and dividend, right? So today, what I want to do is we're going to learn about the division fingerboard, the Montessori division fingerboard, so that we can practice our division facts. Okay? Yeah. So before we label this, I'm going to have us label this. Do you remember what we talked about, what division is? What is it? What is division?
Division is dividing things into groups.
So dividing a large number into smaller groups? Yeah?
Yes.
And in relationship to multiplication, do you remember what it is? Do you remember, Dawn?
What?
In relationship to multiplication, what is division? What is it?
Division is the opposite.
It's the opposite.
Oh, it's the opposite.
So,
Like, this is my right and this is my left.
so the opposite hands. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 5 would be 4. So we're doing the other side.
Oh, so,
Yeah.
like, let's go.
So this is going to give us more effect. So I was just kind of going over what we did yesterday a little bit. And then we're going to label our board. Okay? So,
Okay.
do you know what divisor? Which one do you think would be divisor? The divisor is what we are dividing by. That's going to be these here. The dividend. What about the dividend? What do you think the dividend? The dividend. These numbers up here.
Oh,
Yeah.
because those would be the
Numbers.
first one.
Numbers we're dividing. Numbers we're dividing. And then what is our answer called? Do you remember?
Quotient.
Quotient. The answer is called a quotient. So our quotients are in here.
Oh,
answers
so the
are-
answer. So you just put it like in a blank space.
So I'm going to put quotient here because we know all these in here are quotient. And after you use this a few times, you will probably remember all this. You won't need to label it. This is just to get you used to this.
Are we gonna have a test about it?
What?
Are we gonna have a test about it?
A test?
Like at
Oh.
the end of this, like
Lots of practice. We're going to do lots of practice.
at the
test.
end of the lessons. Like,
A test
we
is
go,
more like-
what is the answer?
To me, yeah. To me, a test is more like you're not really getting much help from the teacher, right? You're just saying, the teacher's saying, just do this and show me what you know. So yesterday we did like the little like what you know so far. So it was kind of a test because you didn't get help, but you could still be taught more afterwards. It wasn't like we moved on from division, right? So to me, that's what a test is you get tested and then you don't learn much more after. But we're gonna do a lot of practice, okay?
This.
So the next thing is let's figure out how to use this, okay? Are you done? Let's figure out how to use this.
Okay. A dividend is like the whole number that is divided by another number. So
You remembered your notes, yeah.
so like this.
So,
Are those the questions that we're gonna try and answer on this thing?
yes. So, before we do that, I'd like to give each one of you these, but don't do anything yet, okay? Don't do anything yet. Here,
Can I write
John.
my name?
Don't do anything yet, okay?
Can I write my name?
So you can move your math book right over to the right of you, maybe. Yeah. Okay.
How about we stack them like this?
You can stack them, you can move them. We just don't need them right this second. We will need them, possibly, but we don't need them right this second. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Before you go any further, Dylan, even if you know the answer, can you wait just 1 second? Even if you know the answer, and then based on how people feel about it, we can practice at your own pace. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna turn this way so that
We can see it.
Don't give me just a minute, okay? Because I want you to see this too, because you know why I want you to see this? Done?
Okay.
Because, yeah, I want you to say this because you're doing like the ones and the twos and the threes, but what if you get it to the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9s, and you're not sure of the answer, right? This will help you. So at least I want you to know how to use it, Dylan, okay? So I'm going to ask that you stop. I'm going to ask that you stop just for a second. And then you can practice at your own
all
pace.
of them and then
Okay, okay. All right. Okay. Ready? So your first page, can you open to your first page? You've got your first page. Okay. We're going to do 2 divided by 1. So when you use this, sometimes the problems are not already written down for you. Sometimes you'll have to write your own problems down. Okay? So you would take your math book and you would write 2 divided by 1, which is already written for you.
And it's
Okay.
And it's 2
So,
because
Dylan, how would you find 2 divided by 1 in here? Can you show me how you think you would do 2 divided by 1 in here? Right, let's watch Dylan, okay? Let's see, 2. Yeah?
well, now that seems like a tree.
So it's where our finger meets. So let's find this 2 over here.
Let's go down once.
What?
Once? Can we go down once?
So we're dividing 2 by 1. So where does our finger meet? 2 and divided by 1. And 2 divided by 1. Good, I did 2. Right. Where does it meet?
2.
The 2. Right?
I don't even know. So if you hold the 1 and the 2.
On the 2. So what's 2 is our what?
Quotient?
Quotient, the answer. Alright. Sammy, would you like to come over and watch and answer one? What's the next one? 4 divided by 1? So you already have it written down, so we don't need to find these, but these tickets would be
It's
so
4.
let's do 4 divided by 1.
It's 4 because 4 times 4.
It's 4 because 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, can you show me in here how you would find the answer? I want everyone to just at least practice this once to find the answer, just to learn how to use the board. What do we have? 4 divided by 1. Right? So, okay? Alright. So, it looks like you guys get it. It looks like you get it.
And I